In this problem, our job is to find the number of zeros and the product of 500 and a non-zero whole number less than 10. So let's pick such a non-zero whole number. We'll call it n. So we will let n be in the set containing the non-zero whole numbers less than 10. That is the set of numbers from 1 to 9. And we want to consider the product 500 times n. And ask how many zeros will that have? So the key is to consider 500. Why does it have 2 zeros? And will we add another zero when we multiply n, or will we not? So we can factor 500. 500 is 4 times 125. We can write that as 2 squared times 5 to the third.